Purwan mane mago motende kod weche mag duond bura mar Jubilee. Jaod bura mar Yala Kanini Kega onyiero kang mar tend duond bura mar Jubilee mar thiche oko e duond bura no kanyakla kod jaod bura mogwel Sabina Chege. Kega oramo ni en jagoro maduong' mar duond bura no kendo ni romo ma kawuono mar kuku mar Jubilee ne ok en mopuodhi. Obogo mar chwalo ng'ur mar gedo ka okoni Uhuru Kenyatta ok en ogai mar Jubilee.
Participation by the said former officials in any Jubilee activity is of no consequence. It is not binding on the party. We wish to inform our MCAs who have received any communication from the former Secretary General to ignore such communication. It is unfortunate that the former president has chosen to be on the wrong side of history by defying a legitimate decision of the party organ, and more so, he ceased being the party leader of Jubilee Party on the 14th of March 2023, as per Section 6 of the Presidential Retirement Benefit Act. He has no powers to call or chair any party meetings. Such impunity is unacceptable and illegal, and it taints the reputation of the office of the retired president. The party will not shy from taking further disciplinary action against the former party leader in order to restore its dignity and reclaim its rightful place in the country.